Hey everyone, David with Iridition Auto and Diesel. Today we have a hydraulic cylinder for this CAT 242B. It would essentially start off by removing, your hydraulic lines so that your hydraulic pressure drops. There's a C-clip here that we'll have to use a special tool that I'll show you here shortly on how to get that off. There was a bolt right here with a nut on the back side that you got to get to from underneath, and then this pin essentially slides forward and out. Alright, so this tool is called snap ring pliers. It's what's used to get this ring off of this pin. You just stick these little prongs here into the holes of this ring and squeeze to remove it, just like that. Now with just a few taps, should be able to get this pin out. All right, now it just drops down from the back side. Just like that. Alright, so this pin is found to be it's a little difficult to get off, so we're going to upgrade over to this PB Blaster. Spray around the pin. And spray underneath here around the pin as well, just to free it up. Alright, when in doubt, burn it out.